Alright guys, finally back after a few days of really busy days. As you can see, this is my headliner. It wasn't this bad, it just I started peeling it off. It has a couple of dirt spots, and then previous owner made a couple of cigarette burns, so I will be taking this off all the way to the bottom. And I have a I have a new one right here, as you can see right there, black. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Things you're gonna need for this is it's just simple, a wire brush. You're gonna peel that fabric off, and then you're gonna wire brush the foam off as well. In order to stick the fabric on your headliner, you're gonna need something like this. This is a 3M headliner and fabric adhesive. This is what I'm gonna use. There's thousands of products over there to do it, and yeah, you can buy whatever you prefer. I have that, so yeah, it's not that hard. I'll show you just a little bit before I go. As you can see, it goes off really easy. Try taking as much as possible to go all the way, so when you lay down the new fabric, it's all even and nice. All right, so yeah, I'll be back as soon as I finish this. Probably 10-15 minutes, but for you it's gonna be probably uh a, just a millisecond. So see you then. Alrighty, so after about 25 minutes of me brushing that thing, uh finally got it all off. The fabric is right there. The Now the thing is, you want to measure how much fabric you need, and of course you want to put as much as, I mean, not as much, but at least, like, I would say 3-inch overlay on each side, just so you don't shorten it when you start putting in these curves and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it now, and then I'll show you what's the next step. Alright, so now next step is I'm gonna start doing it. I'm gonna start spraying the adhesive. Of course, you're gonna need a squeegee, something to squeegee little by little, and make sure it's not something sharp, so you don't damage the liner. So yeah, I'm gonna put you over here on the stand so you guys can check it out. All right. Shake this well, and of course this is like a foam. It throws it's like a spider web. gonna lay it down. All these little crevices. Alright, after cutting all the excess, guys, and now what you're gonna do, you're gonna spray a little bit like that, and then pull this in so it glues on there. Right there. You have to hold it a little bit until it tacks, and then you can do the rest all around. All right. So yeah, that's important thing, because the factory one didn't do it that way. That's why it started peeling off after so long. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back with result. All right, guys. So a final result is right here. I finished it. Everything looks nice, way better than it was. Uh, right here, I didn't want to drill too big of a holes, because this is where your mirror visors go, whatever you call it, and one right here. I'm just gonna do a little hole. But anyway, that's next. Right there, I started doing it. So that's next, and it's a really easy thing to do. I would suggest anybody who has a damaged one on Mitsubishi Eclipse, or probably any other car, to do it this way. And like I said, it's easy. I use this 3M. Only reason I use 3M is because I trust this brand, so that's the reason I use it. You can use whatever you want, whatever you prefer. But yeah, finally it's done. I'm gonna see if I can put it in. Although I have a lot of things to do inside still, so uh, yeah. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Easy do-it-yourself trick, and I believe that anybody can do this. So don't be scared. It's easy. All you need is a wire brush, and of course fabric and some adhesive. uh I'm sure there is easier way to remove that thing. It just, I went with a wire brush, and it took about 25 minutes to do it, but in the end it worked. Everything was fine. Like I said, cut it a little bit over. Let me turn it around. Cut the fabric about inch, or as much as you want, inch from the edge, and then you fold it in that way, because on the original, on the stock, for especially this front part, it started peeling off, and you could see it this way. It will not actually peel off, so that's gonna help. So yeah, do the corners, do the edges, inside where the sunroof is. So yeah, that's gonna help a lot. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys of course comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. I'm sorry for not being able to put out more videos faster, but I'll try to be more consistent. But anyway, that's pretty much it. You guys stay safe. Laters.